Unauthorized access to webcams and microphones is a growing concern. Cybercriminals exploit security flaws to spy on users. Let's explore how to detect it. Hackers often use malware like remote access trojans to control devices, enabling them to turn on cameras or microphones without users' knowledge. Malware can infect devices via phishing emails, unverified downloads, and fake applications with excessive permissions. Watch for signs of unauthorized access, webcam light activation, unusual noise during calls, increased data usage, and unfamiliar applications. To detect unauthorized access, check active processes, review permissions, and use security software. Monitor your network traffic for suspicious activity. Prevent webcam and microphone spying by keeping your software updated, disabling unnecessary permissions, and using a VPN. If you suspect your devices are compromised, run a malware scan, disconnect from the internet, change passwords, and consider resetting your device. Stay vigilant against unauthorized access to your devices. Protect yourself by updating software and limiting permissions. Share your experiences in the comments.